India's maritime sector has long been a driving force behind the nation's economic growth. With a coastline spanning over 7,517 kilometers and more than 200 ports, we hold a strategic position along the world's busiest trade routes. We have focused our efforts on revolutionizing logistics through transformative initiatives like Sagarmala and the Prime Minister's Gati Shakti National Master Plan to create a multimodal logistics network to enhance efficiency. As per the recent World Bank's Logistics Performance Index report, India has moved up to 22nd rank in international shipments in 2023 from the 44th rank in 2018. Today, our average container dwell time is much better than advanced countries such as USA and Germany. Our turnaround time of 0.9 days is better than Canada, Australia, Germany and USA. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, India's maritime sector has seen unprecedented growth in the last 9 years. Inland waterway traffic has grown an astounding 1,731%. Capacity of ports has doubled. Number of Indian seafarers have more than doubled. Number of sea cruise passengers have tripled.
बीते एक दशक में भारत के मेजर पोर्ट्स की कैपेसिटी डबल हो चुकी है। पोर्ट कनेक्टिविटी को मजबूत करने के लिए हमने हजारों किलोमीटर की नई रोड्स बनाई हैं। सागरमाला प्रोजेक्ट से भी हमारे कोस्टल एरिया का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मजबूत किया जा रहा है। ये सारे प्रयास एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन और ईज ऑफ लिविंग को कई गुना बढ़ा रहे हैं।
Today, Bharat Sarkar is gifting to the nation projects worth more than 4,000 crore rupees by the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. The newly constructed ultra-large, world's first stepped dry dock at the Cochin Shipyard exemplifies the transforming prowess of India's shipbuilding and repair industry. It would make CSL the preferred choice for building and repairing large vessels like LNG ships, Suezmax and Cape-size vessels, large dredgers, green and autonomous ships, offshore oil rigs, and large aircraft carriers. Another project inaugurated today, the International Ship Repair Facility, ISRF, is the largest ship repair facility in India, which will position Cochin Shipyard among the top ship repair giants in Asia. Strategically located, the facility will also provide the much-needed rapid turnaround time for Indian naval vessels, requiring operational and planned refits. The facility has workstations, a ship lift system with a total lift capacity of 6,000 tons and a 1.4-kilometer berth. ISRF will open its doors to over 2,000 maritime professionals with direct employment and additional opportunities rippling across linked sectors. Cochin Shipyard Limited, with its futuristic infrastructure, proudly marches ahead to be one of the finest shipbuilding and ship repair companies in the world. Together, inspired by Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat initiatives of the government, and steadfastly guided by the game-changing Maritime Amrit Kal Vision 2047 of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, we stand as proud contributors to an unstoppable success story called Bharat.